Hello and welcome back. I'm Teddy Strings with you again with another lesson. In the last lesson we talked about the kinds of guitars. In this lesson we're going to be talking about tuning those guitars. Tuning on guitars are the same throughout, especially on 6 strings, which I guess that's what you're playing now if you're a beginner. But the tunings are the same on most strings. This is an electric guitar. And this is the acoustic we talked about last time. I'm going to put the acoustic back here. So now we are going to get into tuning the guitars. So we'll start with the acoustic one. There are different things and devices to tune your guitar. Some people can tune by ear, but it's very rare. So a lot of people use different stuff. I use a tuner sometimes. And I use my phone, the app, sometimes. I also have another thing I'll use, but I'll show you that later. I use that on my electric guitar. So let's get into it. You first take the tuner, and most of the times they have like this around them. And you can these pegs. It's not in focus, but I hope you can see. And you can stick them on the head of your guitar, like this. I get the guitar closer to you so you can see. Like this. Then you start tuning. The guitar has 6 strings, as I talked about earlier. And from the thickest one, we have E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, E. But from the bottom to the top, we have the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th strings. And their names are the same up and down. So from the bottom is E, B, G, D, A, E. So here we go. From the top, the thickest one. Okay, it's in tune. A, it's also in tune. D, it's also in tune. G, B, E. Okay, I guess I just tuned it. So I'm going to distune them a bit on each one so that you can see. Then we start again, okay? So here we go. E. You have to make sure it's in the center. Okay. Then the A is a little out. You have to make sure it's just showing A and nothing on the left and right. So that's the only difficult part. The rest is easy. But with time, you'll be able to do this in a heartbeat, basically. Yeah. For complete beginners, this may be weird to you, but you get used to it. It's very easy to do. There we go, and the guitar sounds good again. Now when you play, you have a nice mood. You see? So we play again. Here we go. E, A, G, B, E. Okay, that's enough. You can do the same on the electric. You just have to stick it on the top, and it works. It works across all guitars. And now we're going to try with the phone, the app. I talked about this. A lot of people may not be able to afford a tuner right now or they cannot find one. You can just use this. You can either press this. You can just type tuner into any app store you're on and it will show you. It's the same process. You just have to watch out and be very careful. Okay? Then I also have this one. You can use this as a pedal tuner too. This is also good. It's by Joyo. It's called PowerTune. It's a little dirty. I just took it from my pedal board. So these are 2 other options you can use for tuning. And I don't know if you want me to explain in another video, you can just comment below. I will end this one. But for now, just introducing them to you. You can download this from any app store. You can buy this in most shops, or I can leave a link below. But anyway, that's our lesson for today. How to tune guitars. Peace. I'm Teddy Strings. Follow and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye. One love.